A comprehensive exploration of the fundamental aspects of human nutrition. Food is an essential part of human life, serving as a source of nourishment, pleasure, and cultural significance. This video explores the diverse nature of food, including biological, cultural and social aspects, and the important role it plays in our lives. Biological perspective. Nutrients. Food primarily serves as a source of essential nutrients that our bodies require for growth, energy production, and maintenance. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Caloric content. The caloric content of food is a fundamental aspect, as it provides the energy needed for various bodily functions. Understanding the balance between calorie intake and expenditure is essential to staying healthy. Cultural importance of food. Culinary traditions. Cuisine is the foundation of cultural identity. Different societies have their own culinary traditions, reflecting historical, geographical and social factors. Celebrations and rituals. Food often plays a central role in celebrations, rituals, and religious practices. It can be a symbol of abundance, solidarity and sharing within a community. The social aspect of food. Eating together. Food brings people together and promotes social interaction and cohesion. Meal sharing provides a platform for communication and communication. Food industry. The food industry is a major economic sector worldwide and includes agriculture, processing, distribution and food service provision. This affects jobs, trade and the global economy. Nutrition and health. Balanced diet. Consuming a variety of foods in appropriate amounts is essential to maintaining good health. A balanced diet helps prevent malnutrition, obesity and diet-related diseases. Dietary guidelines. Governments and health organizations provide dietary guidelines to help individuals make healthier food choices. These guidelines take into account factors such as age, gender and activity level. Food safety and regulation. Food safety. Ensuring food is safe to eat is a top priority. This includes monitoring and regulating food production, handling and distribution to prevent contamination and disease outbreaks. Food labels. Food labels inform consumers about the nutritional content, ingredients and allergens contained in a product. These labels allow individuals to make informed decisions. Environmental impact. Sustainable food production. The way we produce, distribute and consume food has a significant impact on the environment. Sustainable practices are needed to minimize impacts on ecosystems, climate change and resource depletion. Food waste. Food waste is a global concern, contributing to environmental problems and hunger. Strategies to reduce food waste are critical for sustainability. The future of food. Technological advances. Innovations in food production, such as lab-grown meat, genetically modified organisms, and precision agriculture, are shaping the future of food. Food security. Ensuring that everyone has access to safe, nutritious and affordable food is a global challenge that requires coordinated efforts in research, policy and distribution. Understanding the complexities and interplay of these aspects is essential for individuals, communities, and societies to make informed choices and address the challenges related to food in the modern world.